Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to message yourself on WhatsApp. To message yourself on WhatsApp, you need to follow the steps. But before that, make sure that the application is completely updated. If not, you want to go to your respective app store and on the search box, you want to type in WhatsApp and see whether the app needs to be updated or not. If it is completely updated, click the open button and log in to your account. As you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page, and then what next you want to do is you want to click on the plus icon or the green square icon from the bottom right hand side corner. Click that, and here you'll be able to see the U option. So now you could go ahead and type in the message, and you've successfully sent a message to yourself. So that is how you could message yourself on WhatsApp. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Now likewise, if you are unable to see the following out, it might be that you're using the old version of the WhatsApp. So you could try updating it and see whether that works or not. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.